We will get to the video soon. Do this for the channel, subscribe, at bottom right, of the video, while watching, it's free. This is done once, then every video, like, after watching, share. Selling digital products, made by AI, can make you money, online. I'm going to show you, how to do it. You can start this business, for free. First, you create, your digital product. If you have, your own idea, in relation, to any skill you have, like, a doctor, you can create, health guides. If you don't have, any idea, about what product, to create, use AI, like, ChatGPT. In this example, I'm creating, a personal development guide, but you can create, any digital product, you want. Ask ChatGPT, what is the top 10, book category, people buy? Then choose, the topic, you want. We choose personal development. Then what are, the most popular books, in that category? You can create, a digital product, on any of the books. After selecting your topic, ask it, to create a full guide, you can sell to people. First, it will give you chapters. Then you do this, one by one. Ask it, to write details, of each chapter. Copy and save, each chapter, you write. Arrange them, in the order, they should be. Next, go to Canva. Search ebook, and choose a template, some are free. Begin editing, designing the cover, adding the chapters, you saved, from the ChatGPT guide and the rest. You can add images. If you search Google, you will get free images, or in Canva photos. Download the PDF, and list on, digital marketplaces, like Gumroad. What is left, is to promote your product on social media, like Facebook groups, related to your topic, and other platforms. Check the channel, you will find videos, on email marketing, and, how to make money, on Pinterest. You will get, marketing ideas, for your product. Subscribe the channel, for more ways, you can make money.